So when is GLC Jones gonna open? That's so weird. It's just full on like just.
I didn't watch that.
It's kind of funny how much work we put in and just destroy. So it's funny how much work we put in and you have to like we just run like I don't know like 30 people for a week and now they just destroy everything. Like that burn probably took like a week to push. Why did they chop half of the landing? No, look how they chopped this half of the landing.
You could probably still hit it.
There's no way. Yeah.
Now you can jump on the ground.
Nicola won the.
I'm dropping it.
No, the slope stop. You can still.
But what did they do to the slope? Why did
Yeah.
Wait, what the? Should we do it? She shot it. She did a video. We should do a competition. We can like we can drop onto the logo first. Take some.
I wouldn't do the big first jump. I would only do a
Oh yeah, did I tell you about this at Pana? My goggles fell off the chair. They got caught. Like, but it was like sticking out of like the normal ones. It got caught on those.
and everyone was like, oh my god. This is crazy.
Before your race run?
Yeah.
Actually?
No, but
No, it was on one of the practice laps.
It's in the
It was
afternoon.
race day, but it was on one of the
It's in
practice.
the afternoon practice.
No.
Yeah.
How did you do in Panama?
I got flat like there. After dollar sign at Rock Garden, I got flat. So
Yeah, I remember. How'd you do that?
Horrible. You ever seen that
dude,
Not before.
Oh, yeah, I saw it.
my
Did you
wheel,
get a DNF?
my wheel was destroyed. My wheel, the tire, the score in the tire was off my wheel.
What happened to you in Silver Star?
I had a really, really, really good run. Got the run before the last wood section.
Yeah, I know you got red flag.
After is this view loam section? Oh,
Yeah,
you already
yeah.
wrote it.
Yeah, I wrote it.
The chute,
Yeah.
the right-hander before that, the
Mhm.
one before that one, I did the same aggression as the one last time. Yeah, I just try to push and go inside, and it just washed out.
You got a DNF?
Yeah, I was so sad.
It's sad then.
I was just crying, man. Yeah. Wait, what? It was open before. They're still building that?
We might as well do a lap while there's no line.
Man, they're still building.
Okay, you know what we're doing for our first lap? The neutral. There's a neutral next to my crossing. So I'll be down to do the neutral.
Sure. Man, it's so weird. There's like absolutely nobody.
I want the master.
If you look at Crankwork, there's so many people, and now there's absolutely